So that motivates me more to work. They wants to collaborate in the shorts, not in form of long videos. The only thing in this field and in every hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Vlogmas 2020-24. In today's video, we will be talking about, is it a wise decision to start a new YouTube channel on 2020-25 in case you want to create content, you want to explore this field. Do watch this video. This video is going to be very helpful for you guys for that matter. And without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay now, let's get quickly jump into the video. So starting with the first thing, I have few points to discuss with you all. And like every other videos regarding this YouTube related stuff, I always often what I do is I divide everything into 5 points to, make it very easy and all the important 5 points and everything is related to these 5 points itself. See, this is a very much era of short videos, like it's being a shorts or like 60, like 1 minute to 3 minutes. Now, the shorts become 3 minutes as well. These days, contents are becoming short, just like the reels, and it is used to be in TikToks. That format where videos abhi zyada chal raha hai because people have less time and it's really handy for them to scroll down and see whatever the contents is there. Long term, abhi to filhal long term का videos ऐसा है कि people there are few dedicated audience those who watch the long form of videos, but to be honest this is the era of like short content. I know we all know by now, but the thing is that if you want to sustain in this content creation field, you need to, for me it's like my personal opinion is that you need to make a long form of contents because through long form of contents people recognize you. अगर आप short form में बना रहे हो, it's good. There is also a lot of fame and money that you can generate through short form of content, and it's very accessible also these days. And mainly these days, how the brand collaboration changed to, they wants to collaborate in the shorts, not in form of long videos. I don't feel like short form of contents gives enough justice to your creation or creativity. It's very much particular, very much specific to what type of creator you want to be. And yeah, this platform is sustain karna hai, you have to make sure you make both long form of and short form of content for a longer point of view. This phase, like wherever we are now in 2020-24, short form content is the key by which new people recognize you. We have to make that. That is like very much important for your recognition. But see, these are all about the trends. Now, whenever the word trends come in, it's for a short period of time. So that is something, it's like trend aaya or gaya. But what remains is that your long form of content, your unique content that you made over the period of time, it also shows your hard work, that how much time you invested for your audience to see. So first, you definitely need to consider your content and decide which type of content you want to make and be different, be unique from rest of the content creators. Otherwise, there is huge competition, of course. So people will only recognize you, only you are a little bit different than the others. Also authentic rehna is the key thing. Next point regarding this matter, whether you should start a new channel and what it takes like and what it is, definitely you can consider it as a hobby for the beginning phase of your life where you decide. Kyunki for me also this is a very much a passion project. I love to create videos, I love to create content, and now that my interest, like what I have studied cosmetics, and there very much I work with various brands where I studied about the R&Ds, and also it's very much interest me. So because of my interest and also because of my study of cosmetics and because of my interest and hobby of making videos, so I think that both aligned. So that's why I am making this videos right here on this platform, and I feel like I'm comfortable, although I do not really get benefited from this platform as of now, but I see a lot of potential out of it. So if your hobby is something related that you can show to the world, that you have knowledge about, like this field में अगर आप establish होते हो, तो there is a lot of potential and lot of money you can gather out of it. But the thing is that sustaining on this platform sometimes becomes very difficult, and you have to keep check on the algorithm. Now this algorithm thing is a nightmare for every content creator right there. You have to post this many videos, you have to post this many shorts, you have to just crack the algorithm every now and then by showing up into the platform, by showing up, yes, you are there. This is a very much show off business, you can tell, and it's true to be told, and it is how it is. So if you think that you definitely first pursue as in hobby or as in something different and some story you have to tell to the world, definitely you can consider this way. Obviously, if you sustain, that will be rewarded in future, and I'm sure. So definitely you can consider, why not give it a try. Even if you fail in this field, you will be learning so many things. अभी तक तो मैंने क्या क्या सीखा, मैंने एडिटिंग स्किल सीख ली है, थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक एडिटिंग्स में कर सकती हूँ अपने वीडियोस की. Next, I got so many internship for that matter. Also because of my study field. Also, I got internship. I am continuously involving and in talk with so many friends. So many friends in terms of so many now become friends. Previously was agencies and. Many freelancers for the matter, because मैं भी source करती हूँ मेरे videos के कुछ editing के parts and also the thumbnails. So in general, I'm a very introvert person, but through this platform, I came to meet so many people. So I love meeting people having same goals and vision, who really are working hard. So that motivates me more to work hard. Okay. So when you are in this field, you understand there is so many of people there to help you. You just need to go ahead and show your uniqueness and talent to the people. And there are people to support it. Okay. So मैंने तो इस journey में यही सीखी है कि even if this platform is very small and very close to almost I know every subscribers of mine, because I keep on seeing and I have an eye. Obviously, when you have a small family, you have access to all of them. So if not all, but I know my subscribers really heart to heart, because we have this connection. And yeah, I talk to them. I even if I feel like I'm lagging somewhere in content, I go to ask them that what we want to see and where I'm going wrong and what you think about the channel and everything. So yeah, that's meeting new people and going crazy every day. So this is a very much self kind of thing. So you have to push yourself. No one is forcing you, but it's your passion and it's your hobby to create something. It's like something very internal and also very much satisfaction मिलता है मेरे को इससे. So if you are like me and if you can align with my sentences and wordings, what I'm saying, you will definitely understand. It will give you a kick to start new thing and content and create content for that matter. Okay, so by now I have told you that what type of content you should focus on, whether it's short form or long form. I told my opinion. Then I told you about the as in hobby you can take it. And third thing I will tell you, please make it as in side hustle. So by this, what I mean is that initially, as this platform requires same amount of attention and same amount of hard work, even if you are a small creator or a big creator, it requires same amount of hard work and attention. Okay, so if you feel like ये भी वही कर रहा है जो मैं कर रही हूँ, but she or he is being paid and I am like barely I'm getting any payments and barely YouTube is supporting me. If you think like this, you cannot. Okay, you cannot sustain this platform to be true. You have to think that they have also started from here and now they're here. So just do not compete with any other creator. Do not compete yourself. Unnecessary कुछ भी अपने ऊपर competition मत डालो. उन लोगों ने भी वो फेस देखा है जो तुम अभी देख रहे हो. So it's very important not to compare with anyone, but at the same time you check on your growth. जो भी तुमने कल किया था आज कैसा चल रहा है, जस्ट डू दैट एंड इट विल गुड टू गो. आई नो when you see so many things on the platform, see competition is everywhere. Okay, so whether it be any field, similarly idhar bhi hai. So you need to really invest a lot of time and a lot of energy to be at a position where you can really be satisfied. So for that matter, किसी किसी का तो बहुत ही पहले हो जाता है, like within 1 year, और किसी किसी का बहुत टाइम लगता है for that matter. But do not, if you know that you have a potential, you have something to create, something to give to this platform, then do not stop. It should be something within that tell you that don't stop. You know, you have to believe in yourself, and yeah, that's how you sustain this platform. There is no other way you can. If so, I can tell you one thing. So I was very much depressed regarding कि मैं इतना मेहनत कर रही हूँ फिर भी it's not happening. Like everyone we doubt one time in our life या फिर many times in our life. तो मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ था. So I sent my channel and sent the video to one of my creator friend, and I said, what do you think, should I continue with my channel or should I discard and be wherever I am, like what I was doing? So she was like, she didn't reply. She had kept me on scene. So it was so sad. It's like, you reply me every now and then, and it's a very important thing for me to know that whether I should, because you are in this field for such a long time, and why you are not replying me. So I was thinking, I didn't text her. Then the next day she replied me like, if you are doubting yourself, and if you think that this question you need to validate from me, then leave this platform. She was this blunt. So that day I realized, yeah, she told it correct, कि अगर मैं doubt कर रही हूँ, and if I want validation from others every now and then, should I or should I not? What you are doing? You decided to create content. Do it the maximum you can. Till now, I don't think I reached the maximum potential of my the ability. I'm still learning, very much learning. So मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया ही नहीं. So doubting me at this phase of my life is a foolishness. It may work, it might not, but I will be satisfied that I give my 100%. So this platform I see is as a side hustle, because this platform does not pay me well. Like YouTube AdSense से मेरे को अभी तक payments नहीं आता है, because the criteria didn't fulfill. But I do have my other source of earning that make me sustain in this way. So otherwise क्या हो जाता है, मैंने जब initially क्या करती थी, only I used to make videos out of the internship money. Now I have internship and certain other savings and everything that makes me sustain this, helps me to make videos, and also that is a very important thing. So whether ताकि तुम्हारा model down ना होए, तो just make sure do it as a side hustle, and definitely a side hustle से ही तुम बनोगे, and film this side hustle thing of yours, then people will really understand the hard work, the मेहनत you are doing for staying in this platform. It's very important to make them understand that yes, अभी शायद तुम्हारा contents and तुम्हारा जो भी setup is not that great, but you are willing to show people that you are passionate about doing videos, passionate about making new contents, and monetary issue is restricting you. It's fine. सबके life में ऐसा phase आता है, and everyone faces that problem. But your willingness to overcome that and be in this field and be here sustaining nicely with a broad smile on your face is the main thing. So think it as a side hustle and keep on doing, keep on following your hearts with a little bit of mind open. You can really crack it, okay? Okay, so beside everything, wherever you are, the fourth point would be please take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your mental health, because this in case this field, also any field for that matter, there is so huge competition and everything out there. It's fine, but do not overstress yourself. So that क्योंकि अगर तुम्हारा health and mental peace ही नहीं रहा, so you cannot make it run for a longer period of time. Your vision should be like a long-term vision, and तुम prioritize your health and your family first, and obviously work is a part of life. Don't make it everything. So fourth point will be it's fine. Experiment and see what's the result you are getting. But do not overstress yourselves कि तुम अभी अभी तो कर रहे हो, लाइक फॉर द प्रेजेंट यू आर डूइंग वेरी ग्रेट, बट लॉन्ग टर्म तक तुम सस्टेन ही नहीं कर पाए, सो दैट वोंट डू एनी ग्रेट थिंग टू यू. So make sure that along with the hustling and everything, hustle culture is fine to a limit, okay? But yeah, you have to take care and prioritize your health and mental peace as well. It's very, very important, okay? Here it plays a lot of role in your overall, hard work game and overall this your work thing, okay? If you are not fit and mentally well, you cannot work. So this is a very basic, we all know, but sometimes we forget, okay? So make sure you are taking care of you and your family well. And yes, work is very much a part of it. Don't make it everything. Correct? And moving to the last thing is that I will tell, consistency is the key. That is the only thing in this field and in everywhere for that matter. Consistency, showing up that you are there. Also, trend ko follow karna, not blindly. Following the trends is fine, it's but not blindly. And yeah, that's what it's matter. And if you are willing to take care of all these 5 points, give it a try. I am sure, and someday you will be rewarded for the mehnat you are doing. Okay, so these are the 5 points you need to keep in your mind while starting a new YouTube channel. And if you are aiming to start a new YouTube channel in 2020-25, all the best from my side. And if you have any queries, you can definitely ask me on DMs. Also, you can comment down below. So that's it for today's video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.